Hello everyone, this is Liang Yu. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a denim waist belt that I recently upcycled from one of my old jeans. It's a very simple and fun project. It looks like the jeans has been sliced from the top and with two exposed pockets. Oh, and also with frayed edges. To be fair, I believe that it looks even cooler when you start on top of any oversized sweater shirt. But I don't want to shoot a video again, so let's get started. This is the jeans that I'm going to work on. It has 2+1 pockets at the front and 2 patch pockets at the back with some details, as you can tell. Well, besides that, I am kind of like these pocket linings with those lovely polka dots. Oh yeah, by the way, the tag shows that it came from Zara and is size 6. So first thing first, you will need to cut right here about 3 inches down below the crotch. And do the same thing on the other leg. Open the seam. Sew them together. Make the front piece very flat as possible as you can. Do the same thing at the back. You're going to open like 4 inches at the back and then sew them together, make them very flat. I did the parallel stitch just like this. And then cut the extra fabric as you need. I have to reduce the size of the waistband since I lost so many pounds during this year. As you can see, the center front looks very bumpy here and is really not what I want. So I decided to open the center front seam and cut off the zipper. I was trying to manipulate the front pieces. Yeah, I did multiple ways. And then I'm kind of like the asymmetrical designs. So I decided to lay the left front piece down below the right front piece. My new waistband would be 28 inches. So yeah, perfect. I'm kind of like the angled shape at the bottom of my belt. You can have your own shape actually. Whatever shape that you want to manipulate, it's up to you. Just be very careful because you don't want to cut your pockets, right? And then open the side seam right here. So now you're going to make a measurement. My measurement looks like it's 6 inches. So I'm going to cut 2 squares. The measurement would be 6 by 6 inches. Place one of them into the center of the side seam. Pin it and sew them together. And then do the same thing on the other side. So we are going to deal with the back piece. I decided to keep the patch pockets and then cut the extra fabric. Just leave a little bit room around the pockets for the frayed edges later. And then you will need to match and then cut. So there's only one step left that we are going to be done. First, I use the thread remover to kind of like picking several threads out. And then I feel like it's too much time waste. So I just borrowed a BBQ brush. Aha, that's right, BBQ brush. That'll help a lot. Alright, it turns out really good. I'm very happy with the results. And if you can wash it one more time, could be even better. Time to sew the button on. I just cut a fabric from my jeans and then fold it in half and then laid it back on the position that you want your button on. Well, that's just one of my experience. To do so, you can make your jeans more durable. Alright, we are done our project. Yay!